Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix connection issues of your GPods. So this video will be useful for you when you have, for example, the unstable connection with your buds and your device, or when you cannot pair your earbuds to your device. So first, just remember to input both earbuds inside this charging case. Charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and then you have to find this button, click and hold it until this indicator of your charging case blinks orange for like 3 times. So take a look for this indicator while holding this button. 1, 2, 3. Right now it moves to the white color, it's blinking. It means that we successfully performed the reset. So we are able to get rid of previously connection, and also I can recommend you to restart Bluetooth on your device. So turn it off for a few seconds and then turn it on back. Next, click to pair new device and then select your GPods from the list. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.